You need to watch this if you struggle with bug wars in your backyard. The red versus black ant showdown is about to begin. Meet Ruby, the fearless leader of the red ants. She's fierce, she's fiery, and she takes no prisoners. On the other side, we have Jet, the cool and collected commander of the black ants. He's got strategy and swagger to spare. When these two colonies clash, it's an epic battle of wits and strength. Ruby's troops charge in with their fiery enthusiasm, while Jet's team counters with calculated moves. Who will win the ant wars? Will Ruby's passion outmatch Jet's precision? Stay tuned to find out. Ant Wars, Red versus Black Showdown, where bugs get serious.